Hi, this is Brittany McCann back with my student innovation project in the planning stages. This is my design prototype video that we're working on here. This is for the multiple personality project, and this is my personal website that features a lot of different aspects of what I do. So in response to the last video and the last assessments in my discussion forums for class, I have revamped the sidebar menu here to reflect the same across all pages. That was the biggest complaint that I had. I have also added in on my checkers assignment, there's now a prompt of the instructions. When you play, you'll click on a piece and then click on the square that you're moving it to. Same with red and white, and then you just can jump over. Alright, so let's go back to the main page of my website here. So I just want to go over what is all being done here. So I've put the recipes here at the top, and if you scroll through these you can find actual recipes. The writing section, I've added in the photography section, which was missing. Also there is a button link to my Facebook photography page. The reviews page, which also goes into the Goodreads group there with the read and review calendar and a link to get to Goodreads on my group there. Here's all my assignments, the checkers, the student innovation project, the time and date and temperature conversions. I also have a contact me area with the email has now been updated with my Gmail account. And back to the home page. So now that you can see that this menu bar is exactly the same across all pages. And back to my actual student innovation project. So I have the wireframe and the sitemap are both on here, showing you what's going on, and then I've added in the documentation here. So this is my actual pitch of my project proposal, and if you read through in here you can read everything that I put on that, as well as my retrospective, which used the 6 thinking hats, and then my project logic model, which I had turned in previous weeks. So all of that can be found there. And again, I'm uploading everything using FileZilla, which uploads everything onto my UAT student website. And I'm using Eclipse for all of my Java, HTML, and CSS files, which I've been working on here. So that's pretty much everything that I've been doing. Got everything published through Google Docs to appear on the page here. And then as soon as this video is loaded, I will also upload it onto this, the somewhere probably next to this video on this site, so that you can view that. So I look forward to working on this more. I want to make more interactions here and just add more content pages into everything. And all of your feedback is great. Thank you.